there! Finally I found you. I've been thinking about you lately. Your beauty, perfection, and more. I can't get enough of you. Don't leave me. Stay with me. I need you.
What did I say about you talking to the girls or boys player? You know I really dislike it. Promise me to never talk to them again. If you do, I won't hesitate to kill them.
Why do you keep ignoring me? Don't you understand how much this hurt, player? I tried everything to make you love me. I forgive you. Please, never ignore me again. Yeah, I love you also, player. I tried to be patient. I tried to save you. And you ignored me? Don't you get it how much that hurts? You're lucky I like you. If I don't, then I will cut you to pieces. Either you come with me, or I'll make you regret ignoring me. Why? Why? Just pay attention to me! I'm tired, you know. I'm fucking tired. Stop ignoring me. I don't want to hurt you. I just want your attention. Stop thinking about them. Forget about them. I'm the only one that shall matter.